Your 5S initiative might have looked perfect. Everything was labeled. Workstations were organized. Before and after photos told a great story. 6 months later, disorder returned. This is not a failure. It is a pattern. Most teams focus on the first 3 S's. Sort what is unnecessary. Set and order what remains. Shine the workplace. There are quick wins, visible results, time to celebrate. Then it starts to fall apart. Why? Because steps 4 and 5 are skipped. Standardize. Sustain. Many organizations stop at shine. They clean up, document the change, and move on. But without standard work, there is nothing to hold the gains. Without daily discipline, 5S becomes just another short-term program. Programs come and go. Operational habits do not. High-performing organizations do not treat 5S as an initiative. They treat it as a management system. It is built into daily routines, leadership behavior, and accountability. 5S is not something you launch. It is something you practice every day, like brushing your teeth. That is why the best organizations do not implement 5S. They operate with it.